Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. It's another frigid one out there as we're in the single digits in teens and 20s to the east of the Cascades, 20s and 30s for west side valleys, 40s along the coast in Curry County. You need the ice scraper and you need the heavy jacket for inland spots again for this morning. But a little bit later today, it's going to be seasonal and sunny. We'll end up being in the mid 40s to the east of the Cascades, near 50 for west side valleys, middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. If you like weather like this, well, then get outside and enjoy it, because we're not going to have much weather like this after today. For tonight, we'll have clouds increasing just a little bit ahead of a very small rain chance along the coast. We'll show you that on Stormcast here in just a second. But because we'll get winds shifting ever so slightly out of the south, at least moisture coming up out of the south, that's going to limit how cold we can be tonight. Now, we're still going to be pretty chilly. You likely have to tend to the pets, plants, and plumbing for inland spots, but we'll maybe just be a smidge warmer compared to this morning. And of course, mid 40s along the coast in Curry County. We'll stop this right around midnight. Here's some light showers along the coast. We put this into motion, and come time for 8 in the morning, I'm thinking that's when some of the heaviest rainfall is going to start to line up along the coast. And then that heavy rainfall, as it transitions inland, will eventually transition to some heavy snowfall. We'll take a look at snow levels here in just a second, but this is going to be pretty continuous throughout tomorrow, at least during the day. And then it's looking like we get a bit of a lull as we head into the evening. Here's some of the water projections we're expecting for tomorrow. And again, tomorrow's just the appetizer. The main course is going to be for Friday and Saturday. And still, even for the appetizer, we could get upwards of an inch of water for the coast, for the Cascades. Even the Grants Pass and Illinois Valley areas could get upwards of half an inch of water. Less impressive totals for the Rogue Valley, at least the Rogue Valley in Medford, and then for the Shasta Valley and East Side. Snow levels are going to bounce around between 2,500 to 4,000 feet over the next 48 hours, but specifically above 3,000 feet for the most part. Let's go ahead and show you some of the snowfall projections we're expecting through Thursday. Again, this isn't going to be a complete picture of everything we'll see over these next few days, but this is a pretty good indication of, again, the appetizer that we're going to get. 8 to 12 inches of snow is what we're expecting for Diamond Lake, Crater Lake, and Lake of the Woods. So very dangerous travel over Oregon 140. And still, we could have anywhere between 2 to 6 inches of snow on our east side passes. Definitely a lot less for our west side passes. So we're expecting, again, a lot more moisture where that came from into Friday, into Saturday. That's likely when we're going to see the most intense bands of rain and snow, which is why we're going with high impact weather for Friday and Saturday. We're talking heavy rainfall, snow between 2,500 to 4,000 feet and above. Travel impacts are looking pretty likely at this point. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have a very small chance for showers today, but we're thinking it's going to be mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and then rain and thunderstorms begin on Thursday and beyond. For Siskiyou County, we'll have a chance for a rain-snow mix for Thursday and Friday, specifically for the Shasta Valley. Now, in higher elevations, of course, we're expecting more in the way of snowfall. And then for the Basin, we're expecting just snow for tomorrow, but then a rain-snow mix for Friday and Saturday, eventually snow levels going up into Sunday. For the Cascades, several chances of snow. We're expecting a lot of heavy snow. When it's all said and done, we'll be measuring it in feet. And then for the Rogue Valley, dry for today, but not after that.